Have you ever wondered how airports work? It's a complex web of systems, people, and technology, all working together to get you from point A to point B. Airports, bustling hubs of travel, are more than just terminals and planes. There's a fascinating array of operations happening behind the scenes, ensuring your journey is as smooth as possible. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of these intricacies. In the next few minutes, you will know how to navigate an airport, just like a pro. When you first arrive at an airport, it can seem overwhelming. But don't worry, all airports follow a similar layout. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is check in. This process simply involves confirming your presence for the flight. You can usually do this at a kiosk, a counter, or even from your phone before you get to the airport. Once you've checked in, you'll receive a boarding pass, which is your golden ticket to your flight. Next, it's time to drop off your luggage. At the counter, your bags will be tagged with your destination and then sent on their way down a conveyor belt. Just remember to keep your essentials and valuables with you in a carry-on bag. And there you have it. The first steps in your airport journey are complete. It's not as daunting as it seems, is it? Once you've checked in and dropped off your bags, it's time to head to security. Security checks are a crucial part of air travel, ensuring the safety of all passengers. They are designed to screen passengers and their belongings for any prohibited items that may pose a risk on board the aircraft. This process begins with the placement of personal items such as coats, belts, shoes, and electronics into a bin for X-ray screening. Liquids and gels must be in containers of 3.4 ounces or less and placed in a single quart-size zip-top clear plastic bag. Your carry-on luggage will also pass through the X-ray machine, while you proceed through a metal detector or advanced imaging technology scanner. Occasionally, additional screening may be required. This could involve a pat-down or a closer examination of your belongings. If selected, remember, it's a routine procedure and nothing to worry about. After clearing security, you're ready to head to your departure gate. This step brings you one step closer to your destination. Finding your gate can sometimes feel like a scavenger hunt, but with a little knowledge, it's quite straightforward. After clearing security, you're on to the next mission, locating your departure gate. Your boarding pass is your best friend in this quest. It holds the key to your gate number. Now look around for the airport signs. They're your guiding stars. They are usually color-coded and display arrows pointing in the direction of various gates. So follow the signs and keep an eagle eye on your gate number on the signs. Don't stress if the signs seem confusing at first, you'll get the hang of it. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to ask airport staff. They're there to help. Once you arrive at your gate, wait for your boarding group to be called. This information is also on your boarding pass. When your group is called, line up and present your boarding pass and ID. Once you've boarded the plane, you're ready for your journey to begin. Navigating an airport doesn't have to be daunting. Remember, arriving at the airport is the first step. Check-in is straightforward, just follow the signs. The security check may seem intimidating, but it's a breeze if you're prepared. Once through, finding your gate is as simple as checking the monitors. And finally, boarding the plane is as easy as listening for your group number. With these tips, you're now ready to navigate an airport with confidence. Safe travels!